This is Ann Batt with Operation Restoration, a nonprofit mission of healing and restoration dedicated solely to teaching borrowers successful, proven, step-by-step instructions how to stop foreclosure through correctly preparing for loan modification or sale of property, even if they are under bankruptcy. Step 5 is a reminder to check your numbers again. Is your monthly net income after taxes and deductions, more than total monthly expenses by approximately $250 to $300? If the answer is yes, you most likely will receive a loan modification or an initial trial agreement if you have a conventional or VA loan following traditional guidelines. If the answer is no, do you require job assistance, including resume writing and job counseling? If yes, please consult the page entitled Job Assistance. As of this taping on December 21st, 2009, Operation Restoration is in the process of developing proven 15 steps to obtaining a job, how to run a successful job search campaign. Please check the website soon for this information. Borrowers, if you decided to sell your house or do you have questions about the documentation and process of selling, even if it is valued under the mortgage balance? If yes, consult the page on the website entitled Sale of Property and listen to the video, Proven 15 Steps to Short Sale. Step 6. Prepare a letter explaining your hardship. We have provided samples on the website with a suggested format. Write a one-page letter following this format and remember to remain brief. Use relevant, current reasons for hardship. Please note, if letters are over one page, pages can get separated and can cause file delays or closure of your file. Make sure to print, sign, and always currently date your letter. Step 7. Your servicer may require a hardship affidavit. If you see your servicer under Step 7, click on the servicer to get the form. In the space provided in the narrative, write, "See hardship letter attached." Step 8. Collect 2 months' most recent bank statements, all accounts, all pages. Note, Wachovia requires 3 months at this time. We recommend that you send literally 2 months of bank statements, not 60 days of transactional detail, because they are looking for 2 months. If you do not have paper statements available, you can usually go online, choose View Paper Statements, and retrieve an actual bank statement. If you have a business account and are reporting income as a self-employed person, send 2 months' most recent business bank statements as well. If the negotiator needs more later, you can send more at that time. Step 9. Collect 2008 and 2007 full tax returns and 2008 W-2s or 1099s. If you have not filed your tax return, an extension, which we have provided on the website, will suffice. Warning: make sure you sign and date tax returns before sending, even if they are a copy. Failure to do so could result in a denial or your file not being worked. Step 10. Make a copy of a recent utility bill. This will serve to prove occupancy. Step 11. Fill out the IRS Tax Form 4506T, which you can get on the website. This form allows the servicer to pull tax records to verify information you present to them. Fill this form out per our instructions on the website. Please make sure to sign and date the form. An incomplete form can result in the servicer not working your file. Step 12. Do you want us to check your financial worksheet before you send it to the servicer? If the answer is yes, fax your financial worksheet to the number listed under Contact Us. We will email you the suggestions or call you directly. Please do not send other documents to Operation Restoration. Before you fax your documents, if you want us to verbally review the package's contents, please call or email some alternative times. Make sure you have your fax cover sheet filled out and supporting documents behind it. Remember, write loan numbers on all documents and pages before you send them to your mortgage servicer. Step 13. Make sure you do not have any hindrances with your servicer. This is extremely important. If you have previously given your servicer information about yourself or household and it was incorrect, or you want to ensure your servicer is making a decision based on correct material, call your servicer to close out, back out any previous information. Otherwise, your new material may not be uploaded correctly or may not be uploaded at all. If you have signed a contract with an organization, please know that they cannot do anything beyond what you can do yourself. Sometimes third parties can actually hinder your process. We recommend telling your servicer that you want to proceed yourself. Step 14. Write loan numbers on all pages and fax your work to the servicer after you have checked it thoroughly for accuracy and completeness. You are welcome to use the fax cover provided on the website. This may start a community effort to work together to help each other. There are fax covers for loss mitigation regular, loss mitigation if you are in bankruptcy, and loss mitigation if you are in imminent default, meaning you are at risk of defaulting on your loan. If you are in imminent default, ask your servicer if there is a separate area handling imminent default cases, and ask if there are different phone and fax numbers to use. Print out the appropriate fax cover sheet. Fill in your personal information at the top and mortgage servicer name, fax number, and phone number. Use one fax cover per loan. If your mortgage servicer is handling both of your loans, remember they are treated separately. Know the loan types for both loans and fax paperwork for each loan separately. Follow the checklist on the cover sheet and place everything in order. Change your cover sheet as needed to reflect your personal items, for example, income from 2 sources or a profit and loss sheet. Look in important numbers on the website for available phone and fax numbers. Numbers are always being added or changed according to what we learn. We always recommend that you call the number found in the 3rd column and verify the numbers before sending documents. Do not send the hardship documents to the fax number for letters of authorization. Fax numbers to send hardship documentations or loan modification documents are located under the 2nd column next to the names of the servicers. We recommend that you call the servicer first and verify the number before sending. Servicers' phone numbers are listed in column 3. This is critical. Record the following information and save it with your financial worksheet for follow-up calls to your servicer. Date and time the fax was sent, the fax number where it was faxed from, and the fax number you faxed to. If you need additional guidance or servicer executive level intervention, write help@operationrest.org or call the number listed under Contact Us. This information is provided free of charge by Operation Restoration. Donations are critically needed to help this mission move forward. If this material has helped you or someone you love, please visit operationrest.org and click on Donate Now. May God bless you.